Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a very simple little salad dressing using tahini, some maple, mustard, a few other things. We're just going to put it all in the old bullet and it's going to be minutes. So let's get started. So we're going to start with our container here for our bullet, and what I have is the juice of 1 lemon. So that's going to go in. I've got a tablespoon of coconut aminos. I've got a tablespoon of maple syrup, or whatever sweetener you would like. I've got the zest of the lemon. I've got 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. I've got 2 tablespoons of tahini. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 cup of white beans, cannellini beans, something in that, a white bean. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of water just to help the mixing process. You can add more if we need to. And we're just going to put the top on here, or the bottom, and mix it up. Make sure it's on tight. And after blending, you are left with this beautiful creamy salad dressing. Look at that. So I'll put this on some greens and give it a taste. So I just have a simple plate of some mixed greens here, spring mix, and I'm just gonna try this dressing. See how. That is really, really good. What I love about it is that no oil, no salt. You got some extra protein from the beans. It's very smooth, and you can just taste the lemon, a little bit of sweetness from the maple syrup. It's really good. You can also use this on baked potatoes, which would be great instead of butter or anything like that. Vegan butter, of course. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.